Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to save on your Chime account? Let me show you how to easily find and use promo codes for great deals. First of all, open your Google browser. Next, in the search bar, type Chime promo codes and hit search. When the result pop up, you will see several websites listing available Chime promo codes. Click on one of these sites to check out the available codes, including offers like sign up bonuses or referral discounts. Copy the promo code that works for you. Now head over to Chime's website, set up your account, and paste the promo code during registration or the referral process to unlock your bonus. And that's it. You have successfully used a Chime promo code and thanks for watching.